Hello everyone. Today's session will be related. It's a very small session. It's related with installation of our dev extension and the report designer extension inside Visual Studio 2019, and which is the latest one. So once you have installed a clean installation of VS 2019, then of course there are no development tools for D365 FinOps. So, and also report designer. uh, so I have just checked the extensions and it is not available. So I already downloaded service updates from LCS lifecycle service and extracted it, and there is a folder called DevTool service. Just go there, inside that scripts, and inside the scripts there is a file called VSIX with the extension of VSIX called Microsoft Dynamics Framework Tools Installer. You just need to double click it, and the rest of the process is pretty straightforward. You don't need to do anything, just need to wait it, and it will say that okay, it need to install the extension, DevTools extension, and just go ahead. It will download and then verify the package. This is a method of external installation, but there is a marketplace available already inside Visual Studio, which I will show you in case of report designer for the development or seeing multiple designs on your reports, SSRS reports. So just it is finishing up, and so that need to be installed from within Visual Studio. Otherwise, if you install Report Designer externally, then whenever you open the SSRS report, it will again, it will not detect it. Although it will open the design, but it will also give an error that it just like it is not installed. So it's better to install from the available marketplace inside Visual Studio. So just hold on, and it's done now, and it will show you green icon of completion. Just now you need to open Visual Studio to verify. Let me. So I need to open it as a administrator, run as administrator. It's better to always enable this in your shortcut settings, so that is always open as run as administrator. Go to the extension menu, and then D365 is now available. Before it was not there. And I can see my models, the user defined model customization. So all the existing packages, also existing models. So once development tools are installed, of course, all the development uh, explorer, like application explorer and other things, are also available. X++ options are also available, and you know, the whole new menu will appear, and it will also show in the installed side of your extension that okay, FinOps D365 development tools development tools are now available, and it is installed. So that's it. On the left hand side you can see application explorer. Now I will open a report, yeah, and edit designer, but it will say that RDLC report definition designer is not available. It will open as an XML. So report definition language client is not available. So it will just let you go to the inside the browser to the download link, but please don't download from that link. Instead, go to the extension, copy paste the name, and there just search the extension and download and install. That's it. This Microsoft RDLC report designer need to be installed. No need to install the other one. It will take a while to download the package. Any extension whichever is downloaded through Visual Studio, then it will ask you to close the Visual Studio to proceed with the installation. Once the installation is done, then again you can open the Visual Studio to check whether it has installed it or not. Normally it happens with all the IDEs that whatever the changes has happened need to be relaunched. The IDE need to be relaunched to check the changes which already has been installed. So now once I close Visual Studio, it will automatically install it. I just need to click modify button and then it will start the installation process. So it will take a while. It will download the package and then verify. I think already the download which happened in Visual Studio again dependent on some other packages as well, or I am not sure whether the same package it has extracted and it's saying that it has again downloaded. I'm not sure about this, but let it do. I think once we disable internet connection, then only it can reveal whether again partially it is downloading something or the previous package was enough. So anyhow, let it complete. Is just finishing up finally and optimizing assemblies and now updating the configuration files of Visual Studio 2019. Sometime it happens while developing anything, you just need to reinstall VS or need to install the latest version of VS, and then you need to install the dev tools and other required packages. So it has now done it. It's showing that it has completed. So now I just need to again relaunch my VS IDE. And then I need to open the project and whatever the project containing any SSRS report, I need to check the design. So customers report I already developed, so I just need to check it. Before, you remember the when I click the design node, so it opened just like an XML with the containing the definition of various fields on the design itself. So now it should show me the graphical user interface. Yeah, so this XML was there, RDLC file. I just expand the designs. Once I expand, then I need to just go to the precision design and edit using the designer. Remember I told you when you download through browser and then install it, then it will again open XML file, and even then it will open the designer and XML both together. But when you install from marketplace, then it will automatically detect the extension already installed in VS. So just hold on until it is launched. I hope you enjoyed this video also, and I will be posting such techniques also in future. Yeah, now the design is open. If you like it, please like and subscribe. Thank you.